Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to get your Roblox user ID on your mobile phone. Open the Chrome browser on your cell phone. Now search for Roblox. Now tap on the first link. Now tap on the profile icon on the top. Once you're on your Roblox profile, just tap on the link. Now in the link, after the slash, those numbers are your user ID. Just select and copy those numbers between the two slashes. And there you go. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.